Mr. Levinson?
The surf button?
Yes, start video.
I thought, oh yeah.
There we go. Thank you very much. It's like we have maybe a little poor connection. There we go. Now we got you connected well. If I could go ahead and have you place your system on mute. Your attorney and the judge should be joining us here shortly. Thank you. Morning, Ms. Shepherd. How are you? Good. How are you? I'm doing well. Thank you.
You're gonna do that, stand off to the side.
Okay.
What's funny is he just met that lady. That's my buddy Shannon, where we took some motor parts in the back of his truck the other day. She's not gonna say nothing. It's like my friend. The guy who built Felix's truck. That's his wife. He's doing. And we just sat and talked over there for 20 minutes with her that day. She's like, she's nice. He's nice. Shannon are good people. Oh yeah. You sure you don't want nothing? Can I buy you something and throw it away?
No,
What if it makes me feel better?
no, but just wait a minute. I don't know what it is. I'm gonna go back to work for a little bit and finish up my stuff and
You
go
get all
home.
kinds of salsas.
Yes, it is.
So Nancy and Bob.
Okay, I didn't wanna be on camera.
You don't?
I don't wanna be on Bob's camera.
Three super burritos. So it's actually. Gotta do 4 super burritos, okay? But one of them with no beans. So that's Nancy and Bob. That's me and Buck Rich. You and Venus. Kenneth, Penny. Make sure you do those. Anything that needs to be fixed, so that I can turn it. Should do it. She's the one that'll do the paperwork. She just doesn't type something out. You know,
Penny and Kenneth are both coming with me. Did you hear me? Penny and Kenneth are coming with me. I love
give me a
you.
kiss. Let me squeeze your booty. You didn't have a heart attack?
I'm just trying to keep my.
All right, good morning. We're here in State of Oregon versus Brandon Andrew Ledson. It's case number 20-12457. Judge Peterson presiding. We have Ms. Shepherd from the DA's office. We have Mr. Ledson and his attorney, Mr. Caldwell, all with us by video. It's time for a case management conference. Mr. Caldwell, where are we at?
Judge, we'd like to set this for a 12-person jury trial.
Okay, we'll find trial dates for you. Ms. Shepherd, how long do you think the trial will take as far as days that we should schedule?
Let me see here.
actually 2 days if we're still doing the COVID jury clerk calls.
Until I see otherwise, I'll assume we are. And so, it looks like do it on July 27. Mr. Caldwell, any concerns with that date for trial? Just to start trial at least.
No concerns.
I got something to say, if that's all right.
27th of July.
That should work for me.
Okay, we'll schedule for trial for July 27 and
Excuse me.
28. If we need more time, we'll get it, but at least for now, we'll schedule the 2 days. To start at 9 a.m. That will, well, we'll see how things go over the next few months. I think it's likely that will be down at the convention center, but I guess if numbers drastically improve, we might be able to do it up here at the courthouse. In any event, call will be on the 15th at 1:45. That I think you can probably expect to have done by video, although again, if things change, we'll let you know. And anything else we can address at the moment, Mr. Caldwell?
No, Judge.
All right, you're confident you got all the discovery plea negotiations haven't made it anywhere there?
I'd like to make a comment, please.
Mr. Letson, I'm willing to let you do that, but your attorney might want to give you some advice first, Mr. Caldwell.
Is this gonna be a phone call, or is this in-person trial?
Trial, and barring a big change is generally in person, especially on a felony. It's in, last time we had one, it was gonna be, in person with 12 people. We, set it up down at the convention center so that we had enough room to spread everyone out, because our courtroom's not big enough to do it that way.
Well, I just wanna make it known, I will not be wearing a mask or any kind of COVID restrictive. I'm just not gonna do that. It goes against my religious beliefs, and I have medical issues that I have issues with as well. So I will not be wearing a mask.
Mr. Letson, I'll advise you to speak with your attorney about that. Mr. Caldwell, if you need to file a motion with the court regarding that, I think you know how, but that's something you'll probably want a ruling in advance on. In any event, that's what we'll do.
Who is Ron Brown gonna be present?
I couldn't tell you, that's,
I don't-
I have no control over that.
If you have any other questions, we can talk after this.
I just wanna know, and I don't want that bigot anywhere near me. I don't have a problem dealing, I want my trial moved to another
Letson, if
county.
you have any questions, we can talk about it right
Mr.
now.
Letson, talk to your attorney about those matters. There's nothing I can do about that. That'll be off of this.
My attorneys don't help me at all. That's the problem. I'm not getting any help from any of you people. In fact, I wanna fire my attorney.
Well, that would change things here.
Yes.
When you say you are not getting help from your attorney, I want to be careful how I ask these questions, Mr. Letson, because you've had Mr. Ron Beckman, he withdrew, you now have Mr. Caldwell. Without telling me what they've talked to you about, because that's confidential, I don't need to hear it, and you almost certainly don't want the state to hear it. Have you had either phone or video or in-person meetings with your attorney regarding, say, the police reports and the allegations in this case?
Yes.
Okay. Have she talked to you about the options that you have as far as offering to plead to certain charges or trial, or what a trial will look like?
Yes, Your Honor, and I wanna make it clear, I don't have any personal vendetta against Josh Cole. I think he's been pretty professional. My problem isn't with Mr. Caldwell, it's with his employers, and that's Clatsop County. Ron Brown,
Actually, I want to be clear, Mr. Caldwell is not employed by you, okay?
well, he was hired by you guys to represent me. But
No,
this is what I wanna say.
go ahead.
Ron Brown put these charges on me because he thinks because I'm a big old white boy, his words, he told me I'm a big old white boy and he's gonna make a case against me. And then he puts these charges on me. And then he follows it up after I call him to address these charges that I'm currently facing right now. He tells me again, because I'm a big old white boy, he's not gonna have a problem making charges stick against me. This is why we're going to trial. I won't accept any kind of deals coming from his office. I either want I either want this moved to another county or I want this case dismissed. I think this is bigotry, and his biased racial opinions toward me shouldn't have any kind of impact on this case. I didn't do anything to deserve any of this. And I'd like to make it clear that Miss Bowden was the aggressor and the attacker. I got a broken toe and dislocated bone in my foot from her assault, and nothing's been done about that. But I'm the bad guy getting dragged out in all this.
So, Mr. Linson, I'll address what you said there as best as I can. I hope you listen to me. An attorney could certainly file a motion to change venue, which would move your case to a different county. It would not get you a different prosecutor. The Clatsop County District Attorney's Office, I understand you disagree with that. I'm telling you what the law is. I can't give you legal advice, but I can tell you what the law would do. It would give you a jury drawn from a different county, and the trial would happen in that other county. You would likely still have a Clatsop County a circuit court judge, which is me. I'm elected by the people of the county, but I'm employed by the state of Oregon. It would be either myself or Judge Matthias or Judge McIntosh presiding. It would likely be a Clatsop County District Attorney who is prosecuting. What you would have is a different jury. You have a jury drawn from that other county. So moving to a different county isn't going to fix the problem you've got with Mr. Brown.
Your Honor.
Hang on. I can't take Mr. Brown off the case. There's no statutory authority. There's no constitutional authority that lets me do it. If there was,